Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about adding by counting objects. The page you are going to be completing today has pictures of things that you just need to add by counting the objects. So if we wanted to count the first set of lollipops, we'd have the number 1, 2, 3. 3 would go here. And then we have 2 cotton candies. The 2 would go there. And the total number would go at the end. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the end. We can also add by counting objects when we have a regular number sentence like this. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then you could practice doing some counting at home too. Now, when you're counting objects, you can use anything that you've got around the house. I'm going to use my rock collection here, and I'm going to build and count so that I can figure out what my answer is over here. Adding by counting objects is an earlier strategy as well. Not the most efficient, however, we're going to just review it. Okay, so here I have 3. And I have another 2. There's my 3. There's my 2. All together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 and 2 is the same as 5. Great, let's go down here. Okay, I'm going to start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You know what? Maybe I'll count this one by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. And one more makes 9. There it is. 5 and 4 makes 9. Okay, let's go up here. 6 and 4. Now right away my brain goes to 10 friends. However, we are learning counting objects, so we're going to do that one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This reminds me very much of a 10 frame. Is my 10 frame going to be full? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes, it is. My 10 frame will be full. Okay, now here's a question that goes over 10. And sometimes counting objects can help with this. Again, not the most efficient, but we're going to try our best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Whoopsie, 11. And I need to get 3 more in here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, hopefully you can see that. I'm going to count by 2s because it works for me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And there is my answer. Now, there's a few other ways to count objects. You could definitely put them on a 10 frame, and that would help you to add them up. Also, if you wanted to take your objects and say, oh, I'm going to group them by 5. Let's see, we've got 5 over here, 5 over there, and then 4 left over. Well, I know 5 and 5 together is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, and we get 14 again. I could also do a group of 10. There's a group of 10 and 4 more. Well, I know 10 and 4 more is 14. So counting objects can be something that's very helpful. I encourage you to find something around your house. If it's a rock collection, if it's a cereal collection, whatever it is, find a big pile of it, take a handful, decide how you're going to count them, and then go for it. So this time I'm going to group them in little groups of 2. Go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Okay, time to count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That time I picked up 20. This is why we practice counting by 2s, grade 1s. Let's try that again. I'll do one more example for you. Maybe what I'll do here is draw myself a 10 frame. Remember, we chop it in half and then we make 4 lines across. And I'll fill up another one just in case I take a lot. Okay, chop it in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I've got 2 10 frames. I'm going to take a bunch, rocks. That looks good. I'm just going to start filling up my 10 frames here. Go. This is another reason why we spend a lot of time subitizing with 10 frames so that we know what it looks like. All right, how many do I have so far? 10, right. Filled up 1 10 frame. Okay. Did I fill up the other 10 frame? Not quite. How many spaces are missing? 1 space. So that must mean I have 9, because 10 minus 1 is 9. So I have 10 and 9, and we know that's a teen number. 10 and 9 is 19. If I wanted to write this number sentence, 10 and 9 is the same as 19. I could also write 19 is the same as 10 and 9. Okay? Doesn't matter which side the answer is on. We just need to know that this equal sign means the same amount on both sides. This has 19 and this has 19. Okay? Okay, have fun counting objects.